sa Jordan River. Charis, Guimaras.
river.
Walang river. Wala kasing river, tatayuin pa.
Ay, sorry.
So, ito na yung mga negra. Ate Jo, saan ka?
Andito ako, B. Huwag kang
Galing Negros. So, ano na to? Another province. So, we're here in Guimaras. So, may energy ako kasi ako yung last na tour.
Ang Negros,
Ay,
ang Iloilo ay nasa.
Hindi, ang
Iloilo is another province.
While I waited for the sun to shine, I was crying on my own. It was all a waste of time, all along. Yeah, I waited through the summertime for the sun to come around, come around, come around, come around.
So, hi guys! We're here at Guimaras Windmill. Masarap dito yung hangin, like, super approved. Like, very
Presko.
probinsya. Yes, presko. Feels like away from home talaga.
Tsaka ano, kahit maaraw, hindi siya mainit.
Yes, super
Kasi ang
presko
Lamig ng
talaga.
hangin. Ang saya.
Yun, so yun na isang windmill. While Ate Jules is very, ano dyan, oh, dalaga. Oh, pak, boom.
Yung madalagang Pilipina ang
Hey.
mama mo.
Oh, the rain will beat the sun, 'cause your heart is on the run.
Guys, nandito kami ngayon sa man-made forest ng Guimaras. So, it's giving Kapjanhi and yeah. Nice dito yung ano, yung view and look at Jelina.
Rain will fall till we fall in love again. When your heart is on the run, I will never see the sun.
So, hi. Hi, Ate Jo.
Ang stress niyong ina.
We're here at, ano to, Ate Jos?
Pit stop. The pit
Ay,
stop.
okay. We're here at the pit stop. So, we will be having lunch. I will get, I will get it. Tama na
Lover natin, bulol na.
Guys, dito rin ako kasi pag, wait, papakita ko sa inyo kinaya.
Dito rin na ba?
Ay, day 4 na. So, here's our food. And this is the famous mango pizza. So, we'll be having inasal for our lunch.
The inasals.
At the pizza. Ayan nga pala yung future in-law ni ID. Okay. Say hi. 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 Meet the parents. Hey. So, this is their capital. Provincial capital. Tapos ayan, nag-ready sila for their mango festival on Saturday. So, medyo madaming tao. Ayan. Hey. Ayan. Mga turista yan. On the Manga Festival. Next na po. Here's I have Guimaras. So, ayan na. We're here at their provincial capital. So, you can see here I have Guimaras.
muna kayo ah.
Ay,
Fall till we fall in love again, again. Well, you left me in the morning sun.
So guys, ang next stop namin after lunch, ay hindi ba, after lunch, di ba, tapos na kami sa city capital ng Guimaras. So it's their Manga Festival. So now, we're here. So gusto na kitang Titan. We're here sa simbahan. Si Kuya naman kasi hindi sinabi ang ano. But recommended si Kuya. Tatag ko kayo guys kung gusto nyo mag-Guimaras.
Yes. Galing mo picture.
Bye! See you in the next time.
before the sun goes down. Oh yeah. So I waited throughout the day for the night to come around, come around, come around, come around.
So dito kami ngayon sa Guisi Lighthouse, Dolores, Nueva Ecija. Ay, Nueva Ecija! So guys, nandito kami. Nandito kami ngayon sa Guisi Lighthouse, Dolores, Nueva Valencia, Guimaras.
Patatlo muna kayo.
Tara. Apo.
She's like a...
I'll be back before the sun goes down. Oh yeah. So I waited throughout the day for the night to come around, come around, come around, come around. Oh, the rain will beat the sun. 'Cause your heart is on the run. The rain will fall till we fall in love again. Oh, when your heart is on the run, I will never see the sun. The rain will fall till we fall in love again. Again. Oh, I love you.
So, ayan, nandito kami sa lighthouse. So, ito yung kind of quick tour of the lighthouse. So,
It's been raining from my eyes for years. Yeah.
we're here at the Guisi Lighthouse. Guisi Lighthouse, Ruins. We're about to go home and so, syempre, tapat siya ng dagat. So, last stop for today will be Guimaras Beach. So, bye! So, hi guys! Team for today is Blue.